Okay guys, welcome to this video where we're looking at some exam style questions and questions on the laws of logarithms. Okay, so this is explicitly for AS pure math students and also A2 pure math students. Okay, so this is looking at A-level maths, okay, for the pure section. Okay, as ever guys, feel free to obviously pause the video, try and attempt these questions if you've covered this topic before in your sixth form school or college, and then come back and press play and check your answers. But if it is completely new to you, then please do take some notes for today's video. Okay, and it's looking at the laws of logarithms. Okay, so question number one. So it says use the first law to simplify the following. Okay, so the first law of logarithms state that if I have log to the base, let's say a, okay, of x plus log to the base a of y. Now, provided if I have the same base, okay, I can just multiply the two terms together. Okay, so in this case, it would be x and y. So your final answer would be log to the base a of x times y, which I can just write it as xy or yx. Okay, it doesn't really matter which way around you write it. Okay, so that's the first law, guys. Okay, for that one. So using this, okay, we are going to answer these questions. For part A, log to the base 10 of 6 plus log to the base 10 of 3. Again, it's the same base, so I can apply this law, okay, which is that I have log to the base 10, okay, of 6 times 3, which is 18. So your final answer would be log to the base 10 of 18. For the second one, okay, assuming that we have like the same base here, log to the base x plus log to the base y will be log to the base x, log to the base of xy. Okay. Now here it hasn't actually specified the base, but we will assume that the base here is the same. Okay, basing it on the question. The next one, log of 4x plus log of x. So I'm going to have log of 4 times x, sorry, 4x times x. So 4x times x will be 4x squared. Okay, remember that 4x times x times x is x squared. Okay, for this part D, okay, so breaking up actually, so taking our time, so doing bit by bit. The first part, I will get log to the base, log to the base something, okay, whatever that something is, okay, a times b squared. Okay, so I'm going to have the final answer to be log of a b squared c cubed, okay, because it's all being multiplied together, okay, using that first log law. Okay, so assuming that we have the same base here, which we do, okay, although it doesn't actually specify, okay, but for part B, C, and D, the base is the same, okay, although it's not actually on there, okay, we will assume, okay, or we are assuming actually, yeah, that we are just going to multiply the terms together. Okay, using the second law to simplify the following, question number 2. Okay, so the addition one, the subtraction is very, very much similar. So instead of multiplying, if I'm subtracting, so log to the base a of x, subtract log to the base a of y. Okay, provided I've got the same base, okay, so same base log, or then I'm gonna write it as log to the base a of x over y. Okay, so we divide it instead of multiplying it. Okay, just to be clear, guys, this only works if I have the same base. If I don't have the same base, then I cannot apply the log law. And obviously, the exam question will not ask you to simplify something, okay, if the law doesn't apply to it. Okay, for part A, log to the base 10 of 6 subtract log to the base 10 of 3. It's the same base, so base 10. I'm going to have log to the base 10 of 6 over 3, which is 2. So I'm going to have log to the base 10 of 2, guys. Okay, for part B, it's going to be log x minus log y. So it'll be log of x over y. So log x over y. I'll write it as a fraction, but you can write it as x divided by y if you want as well. Okay, that would suffice. But obviously, for A-level standard year, is obviously getting into the habit of writing things in exact form or in fraction form. Okay, this time log 4x minus log x. So I'm going to divide this time. So I'm going to do 4x divided by x. Okay, hopefully you're happy that that would just give me the number 4. Because 4x over x, so writing it to the side here, they just cancel and I get left with the number 4. Okay, for that one. For question number 3, so again, you use the third law to write each of the following in an alternative form. Okay, so this one says that if I have a log to the base b, let's say, of c, then I can write that as log to the base b of c to the power of a. Okay, so I'll bring that forward as like a, so c to the power of a. So you have log of base b of c to the power of a. So using this, applying it for question number 3a, I'll have it as a log to the base 10 of 5 cubed, okay, of 5 to the power of 3. Okay, now simplifying this, that will just go to log to the base 10, okay, of 125, okay, because 5 cubed means 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, so it's log to the base 10 of 125. The next one, that would just be log of x squared. Okay, so bringing that 2 as a power. So log of x squared. Okay, sorry that I'm not written very clear actually. So it's log of x squared. Okay, this one, I will get log of, well, 4x all squared. So it's 4x times 4x, which goes to 16x squared. So your final answer would just be log 16x squared. Okay, because 4x all squared means 4x times 4x. Okay, so if you're not sure, a little thing to the side. Okay, so it means 4x times 4x. Now 4 times 4 is 16, and x times x goes to x squared. Okay, remember that if you multiply letters together, it's written as a power. So it's 16x squared. Okay, it's not 2x, it's x times x is x squared. This next one, okay, I'm going to have ln, okay, so natural log this means, okay, which just means log to the base e, okay, of this. So of x to the 4 all raised to the power of 5. Now here I'm being careful because it's the whole thing raised to the power of 5. Okay, so the laws of indices state that I multiply this. So I'm going to have natural log, so ln of x to the power of 4 times 5, which is 20. For that one. Okay, for this one, ln of 1,000, well, I can write that as ln of 10 cubed, okay, if I want to, and then I can just bring that 3 to the front, so I'll have 3 ln of 10, okay, I can leave my answer as that, okay, and for this one here, actually, just to be careful with this one, so this one I can write it as 2 log 4x, okay, if I want to, okay, so that is like another way of writing it, that one, okay. So question number 4, simplify this. Okay, so taking our time here. So the first part I'll have log of x cubed. So bringing that 3 as a power. Okay, log of x cubed. Take away log of x squared. Now the second law states that if I subtract, okay, with the same base, which here I've got the same base, okay, I'm going to divide, so I have x cubed divided by x squared, which just goes to log of x. Okay, so x cubed divided by x squared just goes to x, okay, or x to the power of 1, okay, or just x, okay. Remember the x cubed divided by x squared, actually, if you're not sure, again, do it to the side, okay, x cubed divided by x squared, you would subtract the powers, okay, using the law of index, okay, or using the subtraction law of indices. 3 take away 2 is 1, so you have x to the power of 1, guys. Okay, and that's the answer to question number 4. Okay, right guys, that's the end of today's video. Okay, it's a very short, sharp video looking at the laws of logarithms. Hopefully you found it useful. Please do take down the laws of logarithms, okay, so the 3 laws that I've put on, okay, remembering that I can only use these laws provided I have the same base, so the same logarithmic base, okay, so the same log base, okay. Otherwise, I can't apply these log laws. Okay. Right, guys, that's the end of today's video. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, please comment, please share, and please subscribe. And I'll see you all inside the next video. Okay, bye for now.